Looking for the best home printers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. HP DeskJet 4255E. The HP DeskJet 4255E is our fifth pick, but it's still a great option for those on a budget. It stands out for its versatility, offering printing, scanning, and copying in a compact design that's perfect for home use. The automatic document feeder can hold up to 35 pages, making multi-page scanning and copying quick and easy. It prints at speeds of up to 8.5 pages per minute in black and white, and 5.5 pages per minute in color, making it ideal for everyday tasks like printing documents and basic color prints. The print quality is clear for text and vibrant for color, with a resolution of up to 1200 by 1200 dots per inch for black prints and up to 4800 by 1200 dots per inch for color. It also offers wireless connectivity, including Wi-Fi, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria, so you can print from various devices without needing a cable. The HP Smart app makes setup and management easy, allowing you to print or scan directly from your mobile device. Additionally, the printer supports HP Instant Ink, which delivers ink directly to your home, though it requires using only HP cartridges. Number 4. Brother HL-L2460DW. The Brother HL-L2460DW stands out for its impressive speed, capable of printing up to 36 pages per minute, making it an ideal choice for home offices or small teams needing efficient black and white document production. Its automatic duplex printing feature not only saves time but also reduces paper usage, adding an eco-friendly touch. The print quality is sharp and professional, with a resolution of 1200 by 1200 dots per inch, ensuring crisp text and clear graphics for everyday needs. This printer excels in connectivity, offering Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB options, along with compatibility with mobile devices via the Brother Mobile Connect app. The 250-sheet paper tray minimizes the frequency of refills, while the toner save mode helps extend cartridge life, making it cost-effective for moderate to high-volume printing. Its compact design fits comfortably in small spaces, and the straightforward setup process ensures quick integration into any workspace. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson EcoTank stands out for its innovative cartridge-free printing system, featuring high-capacity refillable ink tanks that provide exceptional page yields, with the ability to print up to 4,500 black and white pages and 7,500 color pages before refilling. It ensures long-term cost efficiency and convenience for home users. The printer delivers vibrant photo prints and sharp text with a maximum resolution of 5,760 by 1440 dots per inch, making it suitable for a variety of tasks from school projects to family photos. Its wireless connectivity supports seamless printing from smartphones and tablets via the Epson Smart Panel app, Apple AirPrint, or Mopria print service. The flatbed scanner offers high-resolution scans at 1,200 dots per inch, though scanning multi-page documents can be time-consuming without an automatic document feeder. While the print speed is modest at 10 pages per minute for black and 5 for color, the ET2800 excels in reliability and ease of use, making it a solid choice for home printing needs. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 8139E. This is our runner-up pick and stands out as a versatile and efficient all-in-one printer, ideal for home offices. Its key strength is its ability to deliver high-quality prints with sharp text and vibrant colors, thanks to a resolution of up to 1200 by 1200 dots per inch for black and up to 4800 by 1200 optimized dots per inch for color. This makes it suitable for both professional documents and creative projects. Performance is another highlight, with print speeds reaching up to 20 pages per minute in black and 10 pages per minute in color. The automatic two-sided printing feature in a 35-sheet automatic document feeder streamline tasks like scanning and copying multi-page documents. The printer also supports borderless printing for photos and brochures. Connectivity options are extensive, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, and mobile printing via the HP Smart app, which simplifies remote operation. The inclusion of HP's Instant Ink program ensures users never run out of ink, offering convenience for high-volume printing. Additionally, HP Plus features like self-healing Wi-Fi and Wolf Essential Security enhance reliability and protect your network. Manufactured with 45% recycled plastic, the 8139E also reflects sustainability efforts. Number 1. Canon PIXMA TS8820. This is the best home printer you can buy on the market and stands out for its exceptional photo printing quality, making it an excellent choice for home users and photography enthusiasts. Equipped with a 6-color dye and pigment hybrid ink system, it produces vivid, true-to-life colors and sharp text, ensuring professional-grade results for both photos and documents. Its ability to print borderless photos up to 8.5 by 11 inches adds versatility, while the inclusion of a dedicated gray ink enhances tonal accuracy in monochrome prints. This all-in-one printer combines print, scan, and copy functionalities with a user-friendly design. The 4.3-inch color LCD touchscreen offers an intuitive interface, allowing seamless navigation of settings and features. Wireless connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPrint, and the Canon Print app make it easy to print directly from smartphones, tablets, or cloud services. The one-sheet multipurpose tray further expands its capabilities by accommodating various paper types and sizes. The TS8820 is also designed for convenience and efficiency. Its dual paper input trays can handle up to 200 sheets combined, reducing the need for frequent refills. While it excels at photo printing speed, its performance for standard black and white or color documents is reliable but not particularly fast. So that sums up my top 5 home printers. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.